guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to download PayPal Digital Wallet app on your device. So to do so, you need to follow some of the few easy steps to get your app in your device. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and download the app accordingly. As I am iOS user, I will visit my app store and click on the option search, which is at the very bottom of this page, and type the app PayPal. So now here you can see the app PayPal on your device. So to download this app, you need to just tap on the option like get, which is highlighted on color blue, and after tapping there, you can simply double click your power button, or you just need to enter your Apple ID so that you will get your app. But after typing your Apple ID, you need to just tap on the option sign in, and this is how you can get your PayPal app on your device. So this app is very easy and convenient to use, and this app lets you send, receive and manage money from your smartphone. You can also pay online or in store, split bill, or send money internationally too. So this app is very easy and convenient to use. So that's how you can just download the app PayPal on your device, and within a very few seconds your app will get downloaded on your device. So this is how you can just download the app PayPal. Thank you.